Hello guys, my name is Evans and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm continuing to look at the 2017 IGCSE ICT November exam series from the paper 2 exam. And in the last video, we were looking at step number 20, and in this video, we'll start doing step number 21. So step 21 says, create a data entry form which will include all fields from Cruise's table and allows the user to select the liner code from a drop-down list. Okay, that's something interesting. Okay, so what we're going to do is to create an entry form which will include all the fields from the Cruises table. Okay, so go ahead, let's close this. Okay, we don't need the relationships for now. We can close them and we can close this. Okay, so what we want to do now is to create a form. So go to form wizard, and this time we want to select all the fields which are coming from the cruise according to the question, the cruise table. Okay, so we've selected all of them and go to next and select the kind of table that you want. So I prefer having a columnar, then modify this. So what's the title for my form? Let's see. I'll call it maybe Cruises data entry form. Okay, modify the design and go to that. Okay, so that looks good. Now we are told that the user should select the liner code from a drop-down list. So at the moment, if you preview this form, the user kind of has to type the information in the liner code here. Now, we do not want them to type this information. We want them to be able to pick it up from a drop-down menu. So in other words, we need to change this from a list box, so to say, to a drop-down menu, combo box. Okay, so go back to design view and select this. Just right-click on it and change it. Change to let's say combo box. Okay, and notice that it has been changed to combo box. So go back to preview and notice that now somebody can click something here, but currently we do not have values that we're going to be selecting there, and that's one thing that we'll need to do. Okay, now the only question here tells us to insert evidence document to show the drop-down list displaying some of the liner codes. Now if you check here, notice that if we try to display some of the liner codes, there is nothing that is inside yet. We need to pick up the values for this combo box to work. Okay, so go back to design view, and you need to go to the properties for this drop box so that you point to it where it should find the values that it should use for populating this drop box. So if you go here, go to data, you notice here where it says raw source. Okay, raw source type. Click there and select the table that where the query is supposed to come from. Okay, so I select this table and close it. So this table shows you now you're more like performing a query to extract only the fields that you want. Okay, so I extract, I select the table that I want. I know my files or my information is coming from the Cruises table. So I add the table here, as you noticed, I've added here, and close this one. And I need just to show which field I want. So I want a liner code, and so I've selected the liner code there. Now, if I run this, notice that I have the liner codes selected there. But you also see that there is duplication of data. You have got 2CL01, then you've got 020202, 0303, 0303, 0303, and so much. And we cannot afford to have all this information displayed on our form. It is going to cause some redundancy, unnecessary redundancy. So let's go back to our, so go view your pane, your navigation pane. Where are you? Why have you hidden yourself? Okay, so let's close this. So save it and close it. So where is it? Where is the, okay, I did something, I don't know what happened. Okay, I'm here. Okay, so now what we want is to first of all, arrange this data in ascending order. It makes sense. I'll tell you why. Because we want the numbers to be arranged from the smallest to the oldest. And then also something interesting that I want us to do, which is to hide the duplication of data. So instead of us to show all the information like I showed you, that 33333, 4444 and stuff like that. So click on totals here so that it just picks up whatever are the, like, the representation of the groupings, so to say. So you see that it will say total group by. And this, what this means is that it's going to group your information. So go to save as. So save this query. So I'll save it as liner data. Okay. And say okay. And then close it. Okay. Just accept this. Okay. Now, notice it has picked it up already here, raw source as liner data. And if I run my form now, rather run it from here and come here, notice that the values are picked and it has not duplicated the values like we saw 01, 0222, 0333 and stuff like that. It has just shown the values as they are. Okay. All right. So the next thing that we're supposed to do is to insert into our evidence document screenshots to show the drop-down list displaying some of the liner code values. And let's go ahead and do just a screenshot. So select these line code values and get a screenshot of this form. Okay, and copy it like that. Okay, copy it, and we're going to paste it in our evidence document. Okay, so just paste it there. That's fine. Okay, so step number 2, use the form created in step 21 to add the following record. And this is the record that we're supposed to add: CAO3 Carnival Glory, 18 December 20 rather. The date is supposed to be 17. Okay, and well, let's just go ahead and add that information. So go to then add new here, new blank, select CL3, which is this one, and the vessel name is supposed to be, let's just copy them, Carnival Glory. Okay, just okay, just copy and paste it here. And then well, we can paste it not in one line, we can paste it like that. The sale date, I can pick the date from here. It's supposed to be December. The date is supposed to be December 2017. So make sure that you go back to 2017, December, and the date is supposed to be 18th December 2017. Okay. So 18th is here. It was a Monday. So 18 December 2017. And MBAC is supposed to be Miami. So copy and paste Miami there. Nope, I didn't copy. Okay, copy and paste Miami there. Destination, we can copy this as well. Come on, copy, and we're supposed to put it here. Okay, so I'm going to delete this and put some space there. Duration is supposed to be 10, so I'll just type 10, it's easy. Costs, daily cost is supposed to be 7.5 or 105.75. So this one's supposed to be 105.75. And capacity is supposed to be 2974. 2974. Okay, and save it. So you need just to make sure that you check it for data entry errors. But for me, since I was copying and pasting, there are no errors. So place in your screen, in your evidence document, screenshot showing this data in your form. Okay. So let's go. This is the data, and let's get screenshot of this, and that should be it, like that. Copy and then let's go ahead and paste this screenshot in our evidence document. New record added, that should be fine. Okay, so let me see how much time I've used. Okay, so for this video, I'm going to stop here, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you.